Hello, this is the easiest way to learn harmony for the former Nigeria National Anthem, Arise, O Compatriots. I'll be doing it in key F major. If you stay with me in this video, you will learn how to sing the soprano part and the alto part. The soprano, the first line, or this one, or this one, or this one. So, do, mi, so, mi, fa, mi, re, do. You put the lyrics, very simple. Arise, O compatriot, Nigeria's call obey. Hope you are following. Then for the alto, to get the alto, you go down to mi, so, do, re. That's the second line there. Mi, so, do, re. You put the lyrics. Arise, O compatriot. Now go to the second one. Do, re, do, la, te, sol. Nigeria's call obey. Hope you are following. You go to the next line. Soprano. So, do, mi, so, mi, fa, mi, re, do. I'm singing this and this. To serve our fatherland with love and strength and faith. Alto, which is the second line, and the second line here. Mi, so, do, re, do, la, te, so. To serve our fatherland with love and strength and faith. If you have done that, you can clap for yourself. Hope you are getting value, especially for those who are young. Right, we'll go to the next line. Re. So that's the next one, the next line. Re, mi, fa, re, mi. The labor of a he. Then fa, so, la, so, fa, mi, re. For the alto, te, do, re, te, do. You do. The labor of a he. Before you now go to this next one. Re, mi, fa, mi, re, do, te. Re, mi, fa, mi, re, do, te. You can take it from here. Te, do, re, te, do. Alright? The labor of our hero's past shall never be in vain. If you've done that, you should clap for yourself. We're getting very close to finishing. We'll go to the next one, which is this one. Do, so, mi, la. Re, mi, fa, re, la. Alright, then the alto will do. So, mi, fa, mi, do, fa. Alright. So, mi, fa, mi, do, fa. to serve with heart and might. Then you go to here. Te, te, do, re, te, fa. One nation bound in free. One nation bound in free. All right? Then we'll proceed to the last one. Soprano, which of course you already know is this. We'll do so, fa, mi, re, re, do. Dum, peace and unity. The alto. Me, re, do, la, te, so. Dum, peace and unity. We're about finishing now. If you want to see the tenor line and the bass line, you can drop a comment, tenor, or drop bass, and I will do that one. Thanks for watching this video. If you learned anything, you can type in the comment section value. Subscribe and like this video. You can also share.